One thing you may notice as you work with Microsoft Office files in OneDrive is when you open them, depending upon where you are in OneDrive, it may open in a slightly different application. I'll show you what I mean. So here is my File Explorer and I'm in OneDrive and I can see some Microsoft Word files. And if I double click on one of these files, you'll see that it launches the Microsoft Word application on my computer for me to work on. Now, if I go to the web-based version of OneDrive and I open the same document, you'll see that rather than opening Microsoft Word, instead it opens a new tab in my web browser, and you can see that I am now in essentially a version of Microsoft Word that's fully online. And this is in fact called Word Online. The same thing will happen if I go into Microsoft Teams. Here, once again, I am looking at my OneDrive, and if I choose to open this document here, it's going to open the web-based version of Microsoft Word, but this time from within Microsoft Teams. Now, the important thing to remember here is that it doesn't really matter which way you choose to access your documents, as you will be able to work in and edit them regardless of which application it opens. In fact, you can start your work in one version of Microsoft Word and then continue on with that work in another version of Microsoft Word. Or if you've shared a document with someone else, you and that other person can be working on the same document at the same time and see each other's changes in real time. If you've opened a Word document in the online environment and are now looking at it in Word Online, you may prefer to open it in your regular Microsoft Word application on your computer. In that case, you can go up to the Editing drop box and then choose the option to Open in Desktop App. This will prompt you to open Microsoft Word, where you can now continue editing that document from your desktop application. The same thing can be accomplished in Microsoft Teams by choosing the Open in Desktop app at the top of the screen. When it comes to deciding whether to use the locally installed application of a Microsoft product or to use the online version, it really comes down to preference. But one thing I'll say is that the locally installed versions typically have the more advanced features if you need them, whereas the online versions are often better for collaboration with people in real time. In the end, the choice is up to you.